Pelekeli havalan îrojî dixwazin hinekî peyvêndin hînî we bikin, hinekî peyvêndin ji we re par bikin. 95 peyvên me hene, em ê li hemiyan mêze bikin. Amûrên mitbaxê, mitbax kitchen, amûr utensils. Those things are arvan flour, bajar city, balkeş interesting, baş good well, bazar, beqasî saetekê for 1 hour, beqasî saetekê, carinan sometimes, cilûberg clothes, çarêk quarter, çay tea, danûstandin shopping, ders lesson course work, daxivim I am speaking, dibore is passing, she passes, it is passing, third singular form of the simple present tense for the verb borin, to pass. Dibore it passes, diçim I go, I am going, as diçim I am going, I go, and diçin they are going, we you they going. From here we understand that we you they are going. Dikin we you they do are doing. Ew dikin, em dikin, hûn dikin. Dijîm I live, singular person I dijîm, as dijîm I live. Dimînim I stay, I am staying. Dimînim. Dişom I wash, I am washing. Dixwînim I read, I am reading. Dixebitim I work or I am working. Dixwim I eat, I am eating. Dîsa again, once more, dîsa chu. Okay, there is a music about this I will definitely put, but I think I shared before. Edebiyat, literatür. Edebiyata American literature. So simply you say edebiyat and you put the word, and then if it is about anything you put the name. Endezyar engineer. Erzani cheapness, low prices. Fiki fruit. Fravin lunch. Geleki very much. Gring important. Hafteye careke once a week. Helbest poetry poem. Hemû tişt everything. Hatta till until. Heval friend. Heye hene there are. For heye it means there is, hene there are, exist also. Hek egg. Hendek some. Je from. Jiberku because since. Jinmam jinap uncle's wife. Jinam jinap. Jinmam jinap. So jin is actually woman, and jinmam, mam means uncle. Jinmam woman uncle. It doesn't mean uncle is woman. It means wife of uncle. Jinap also like that. Car, work, job, task, duty. Kengi when. Kijan which. Kuche street. Kurd, Kurdish. Why did I put this? Lay but however. Lay but however also. Okay. The aliyakeden on the other side, the area part. So the aliyak is aside. Le in. On it became le in on. Aliyakiden the other side. The aliyakiden. Legal with, together with. Okay, together with legal. Malbat, family, malbat. Mom, ab, paternal, uncle. So this is from that side, uncle. Mom was dad, teacher. Must, yogurt. Must. You read must like must, but it's yogurt. Must, yogurt. Majul, busy. Mekhaben, unfortunately. Navcha, region. Nezik, close. Nezik, closer. Not the close one, but the close to each other. Some two things to become close to each other. Nezik, nizanan. We, you, they don't know. The plural things doesn't know, don't know. Nizanan, naqash, discussion. Discussion. Navishk, butter. Nivro, noon. Parizer, lawyer. Pelav, sol, shoes. Pelav or sol, shoes. Prani, majority, usually, generally, often. Prani. Radabim, I wake up. First person singular. I wake up. Radabim, as radabim. Like, I wake up. Pashe, later than. Peshtiku, after. Rukani, cheer, being cheerful. Being cheerful. Rukani, cheer, being cheerful. Cheerful, which means Rukani, it's laughing. And Rukani is being happy. Rukani means this actually. Okay, continue. Saranj, refrigerator. Sebze, vegetable. Serchav, literally head and eye. So the picture comes a little bit wrongly because this picture is in here. This is Serchav, literally head and eye. Sbehan, in the mornings. In the mornings will be like this, in the mornings. And this is shaker. Shaker will be this. Shaker. Sugar. Shaker. Showerman, consultant. Advising things. Consultant, which is showerman. And sheer, milk. Sheer, this is sheer. Cows. Milk. Shiv, dinner. This might be, actually this is dinner. And this is lunch. In the next one it comes breakfast, which is breakfast. This is breakfast. And Taibati, especially, specifically. Tag, quarter, Swedish quarter, neighborhood. So this is also the previous one still. Quarter, tag, quarter. Is the in the same street, the neighbor. Text. Okay. Tani, alone. Only. Alone, only. Them, I come. I am coming. First person singular form of the simple present. And then I drink. I am drinking. First person singular form of the simple present. I am drinking. Khalas deben, they finish. Third personal. Khalas deben, they finish. Khalq, the folk, the people. Khalq is people actually. People. خواردن food یا باشتر what is more moreover what is more یا باشتر moreover یا راستی indeed in fact یک جوان one of them یک جوان one of them زانینگه university زاروک child this is like children زاروکان children زاروکان zoo quick quickly zoo and gelek spas dikim ji bo ku ez guhdarî kirim xatirê we li xwe baş bînere